Before you begin, remove the access panel, fan duct, front bezel, and rotate the drive cage up. Removal. Disconnect the main power cables from the system board. Remove the cables from the cable guides on the chassis pan. Remove the 3 Torx T15 screws securing the power supply to the chassis. Press the release tab and slide the power supply back away from the chassis. Lift the power supply out of the chassis. Replacement. Lower the power supply into the chassis and slide it backwards into place. Replace the 3 Torx T15 screws that secure the power supply to the back of the chassis. Route the main power cables into the cable guides on the chassis. Reconnect the power cables to the system board.